Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to take you on a tour of one of the most beautiful countries in the world, Italy. From the stunning coastline to the rolling hills of Tuscany, Italy is full of picturesque landscapes and ancient architecture. So, let's dive in and explore the 10 must-visit places in Italy. Starting with our number 10 on the list, we have the city of Bologna. Known as the food capital of Italy, Bologna is a must-visit for any foodie. The city is famous for its pasta dishes like lasagna, tortellini, and tagliatelle. Number 9 on our list is the Amalfi Coast. With its dramatic cliffside views and crystal-clear waters, the Amalfi Coast is one of Italy's most beautiful coastal regions. You can enjoy the views from the sea or explore the charming coastal towns. Number 8 on our list is Lake Como. Nestled in the foothills of the Italian Alps, Lake Como is a popular destination for celebrities and tourists alike. Take a boat ride around the lake and explore the charming villages and elegant villas. Moving on to number 7, we have the city of Naples. Known for its delicious pizza, Naples is also home to historic sites like the Pompeii Archaeological Site and the National Archaeological Museum. Number 6 on our list is the city of Florence. With its rich history and stunning architecture, Florence is a must-visit for any art and history lover. You can explore the Uffizi Gallery or take a stroll through the beautiful Boboli Gardens. Number 5 on our list is the city of Venice. With its unique canal system and colorful buildings, Venice is one of the most romantic cities in the world. Take a gondola ride through the canals or visit the iconic St. Mark's Square. Number 4 on our list is the city of Milan. Known as the fashion capital of the world, Milan is also home to iconic landmarks like the Duomo Cathedral and the historic La Scala Opera House. Number 3 on our list is the city of Rome. With its ancient ruins and historic landmarks, Rome is a must-visit for any history lover. You can explore the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the iconic Trevi Fountain. Number 2 on our list is the region of Tuscany. With its rolling hills and charming medieval towns, Tuscany is one of the most picturesque regions in Italy. You can explore the cities of Siena and Pisa or take a tour of the famous Chianti wine region. And finally, our number 1 must-visit place in Italy is the city of Sorrento. With its stunning views of the Bay of Naples and the nearby island of Capri, Sorrento is the perfect destination for a romantic getaway. Thank you for watching our video on 10 must-visit places in Italy. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful in planning your next trip to this beautiful country. If you have any suggestions or recommendations for other places to visit in Italy, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!